You don't read you don't read. Hello, my people. I still wait hello too. Hey, hello, you dey here too. Hi now. Hey, I can't sit down near me. Can't sit down near me. Good girl. Eh? Hello, my people. Now me, Regina again. You get one thing I won't tell you now. We get one problem for Africa. When I talk so, Africa. No be say because na one country for them, na one country for them. One meeting one and no one they discriminate on ourselves. We be one. Na the same place where we come from. So anything where they happen for your country, if they happen for the other country, the same thing. About no they notice the thing? Poverty. We get enough money, but where the money? So he get what you want to go tell you now. The reason why that thing they happen like that. You get one disease. When Africa gets, we say thank God not everybody get that thing. Now that sickness, now disease, now virus. Now that they call greedy. Selfish. To the selfish. Only me go cure. Only me go cure. How many you go fit cure now, brother? How many you go fit cure? You supposed to cure will mean give to that one they will not get. When they enter inside government, the governor, when they inside, I been at the senator, I been at the legislator, when they enter, the first thing when they look, where the money they? How much they come every day, every month? When did the president to enter? Not the same. How much dollar will get? How many pound now we get? I been a contact of naira. I been a kudira to wait whatever. Now they go first you look. Now they talk, we see that one. Greedy. Greedy number one. I know say for you to be the father of a nation, you know they easy. But make I leave that one. But I tell you the truth. Majority Africa, greedy, and it's selfishness. I broke grammar journal. Selfishness. Nobody wanted to sell fish for market you. This one they sell their own fish for their own house. Inside their mind. Now they say the next presidential candidating election, me I go candidate. Or even if I not be president itself, at least make I be the ministering of the finance. No be external the finance, your internal finance, the thing where they happen inside the dirty country. On a course you wonder. First of all, me I go to hospital. Hospital. It is very, very, very important. Because if you not get healthy, you know well, you know strong, you know go fit to work, you know go fit to even get the brain self to think better thing. So at least health insurance. They go put to health insurance. They call it what thing? Which say healthy insurance. That was very, very important. They come due to hospital. When we say mama or papa or children, they sick, they feel go there without paying nothing. They will get their medicine free of charge. A doctor go they pay them very well. You go they pay doctor very well. No, we say this one at the years. I never get my salary. Government no pay. Hey, to fear quoi? No, not talk too much. So, hospital go pay teacher and then school for the children free of charge. Free of charge. School and bukulu free of charge. So, I go tell you now one thing. May we make our country better. Well, that one, me I go talk of that one next time. What we individually go fit dey do to help ourselves? If the government disown we, then we go carry our body, go look for our life by ourselves. And the police, this Oga police, I go pay them well their salary. No more bribe. No more bribery. Any police go take a bribe from one person's hand. That police, he then spend the rest of his life for prison. No bribery for what is it called? Immigration, marine quarter, pilot. What is it they call them? All of them, they go get their money, good money, and that money, we go no say that money. You really should take care of yourself and your family. No, we say you they make a mago business. They go they kill your fellow human being, or they go they steal your fellow human being because you need money. Me, I not go do that one. But the next presidential candidate election, me, I they go the candidate the election. See how that they say na common woman. Me gonna let a woman rule that those country. Me gonna come see wonderful. Ona they say na, ona they see Oyibo. Most of them are women that they rule them. And see as the country they. They will carry man na man na they rule country. You know no say man he heart he so kind to say even they soft to pass a woman heart. You go they look for other things. Wife will come, hey, baby daddy, my family wait there for this thing. I want to build one villa for them. My wife will take it. That money where they come out for that country, each country, the money they enough for every citizen today secure. You dey sick, you dey fit dey go hospital without say, I not get money, I not fit get to hospital. When there is life, there is hope. Isn't it, my brother? May we look at this thing. Okay, if the government say they not go help, we go now look how we go fit help ourselves. That you talk, you go talk another time. I told hello to on a bye. Oga, President, I know so I not doing well on a dey try. But I'm gonna see do on our best join them. Or I'm gonna call me. I go come help on. On a day still make me say no go bukuru. I go bukuru. No play with me. Even now me I want go study for university. Me gonna wait. Children they die. They not getting medicine to